In just a few hours from now, a Tempe man who pleaded guilty as part of a plea agreement for sexually assaulting an elderly woman. He is set to learn his fate. ABC 15's Katie Connor, she's live outside the courthouse with all the details. And Katie, it took police a while to finally track this guy down.
It did. Detectives say that Ekwunza Owen's reign of terror started back in 2012. It will be a very emotional day in court for his sentencing. His 91-year-old victim will be in court, and her family is flying in to support her. Now, this has been a very emotional case, even for detectives. Here on your screen, you can see 24-year-old Ekwunza Owen Jr. He goes by EJ. Police say that he's a serial sexual predator. He would case apartment complexes, ask people to use their cell phones, and then attack them. Mesa and Tempe worked around the clock to catch him. They took the case even more personally when Owen raped a 91-year-old woman. Police tracked him down and then used a rapid DNA test to link him to investigations dating back to 2012. The 91-year-old victim wrote this letter to Tempe, thanking them. She said, "The kindness and respect shown to me was simply awesome. Please share my humble thank you." Back out here live, I'm told that the detectives who worked on this case also will testify today. Again, Sergeant Mike Pooley says it will be a very emotional day. Sentencing starts at 8:30 this morning. ABC 15 will be there and keep you updated on what happens. Live in downtown Phoenix, Katie Connor, ABC 15 News.